Safety is one of the keystones in the modern cloud. No matter how complicated, effective, or modern your infrastructure is, if it is compromised, it isn't much more than just a pack of resources that still may contain financial, personal, and other sensitive data that are threatened by possible attacks. This is why it is so important to make sure that whatever you do in cloud is safe, reliable, meets the world-class standards, best practices, as well as local regulations and specific challenges of your business. This is what EPAM Syndicate Rule Engine does, enabling effective assessment to make sure that your infrastructure is safe and reliable, and make sure you find and fix any breach before it grows into a big issue. In essence, the product enables checking your infrastructures for various legal, industry-related, corporate, and customer-specific requirements, standards, and best practices, as well as verifies that it is cost-effective and properly optimized for better cost for value. A typical customer for the tool can be an enterprise of any size and experience. If you are new on the market, it can help ensuring basic compliance and best practices. If you are a larger business with complex infrastructure, it can unify multiple cloud assessments and make sure that both general and custom enterprise-specific rules are met. EPAM Syndicate Rule Engine is based on the open-source cloud custodian tool and includes our own add-ons and approaches that empower rules management and customization, multi-cloud assessments, check results unification, and issues handling recommendations. In addition to detecting the incompliances, it provides issues handling recommendations and the possibility to select event-driven, scheduled, or on-demand scan and manner based on our enterprise-specific lifestyle. The tool is easy to embed into a CI/CD pipeline, which allows making sure that new iterations and alterations within your infrastructure do not affect the security or bring unreasonable costs. In total, the tool supports a constantly growing catalog that now includes over 1,000 rules covering AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, and OpenStack clouds. The built-in mechanisms align the results of the check by rule sets with well-known benchmark standards and policies. This simplifies passing complex assessments and allows focusing on specific aspects. In addition to the basic cloud provider resources, you can use EPAM Syndicate Rule Engine to assess Kubernetes and OpenShift clusters. This also includes container-focused benchmarks, of course. The rules catalog is constantly updated by our team. Moreover, you can also create your own set of rules, and we are there to help. So, let's see how Syndicate Rule Engine works. Before you start, you need to perform several setup steps, which you can do by your own or request the product team for assistance. This includes deploying Syndicate Rule Engine to your account, selecting the necessary rule sets, providing access to the AWS accounts to be scanned, and specifying whether the scan should be on-demand, scheduled, or event-driven. When the scanning begins, Syndicate Rule Engine scans all the resources in the target accounts to detect the rules incompliances. Then, it provides the list of findings, which also includes incompliance severity levels, mitigation guides, and other useful information. Now, your team can fix the issues based on the provided detail, and the tool will let you know if the risks were mitigated or new ones appear. Thus, EPAM Syndicate Rule Engine is an effective infrastructure assessment tool covering both security and cost optimization for your cloud. It makes a great input into building secure, reliable, and well-performing environment by leveraging cloud best practices, world-class standards, and taking into account the specifics of your business. Preventing a threat has always been more effective than resolving the consequences, and we are here to help on this way.